Okay, so let's quickly review week 2, look ahead to week 3. So, good week in the discussion again this week. You guys all got in there. Good initial posts, good responses. I should be grading those tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon at the latest sometime. Okay, I'm looking over here at your assignments. I will be grading those either tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon as well. I appreciate all of you getting them in there, so makes the class run a lot smoother. So good work on that. So let's look ahead to week 3. Let's pull it over to this screen. So welcome to week 3. So we are at the halfway point of this class. So if you're behind any classwork, which none of you are, so I don't even need to say this. And I'm going to stop. All right, let's quickly recap week 2, look ahead to week 3. So as I'm looking here at the grade book, looks like everyone got in the discussions. You guys did good on there. I'll be grading those probably tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon at the latest. Same with your assignments. They're all turned in. Those are the two will also be graded either tomorrow morning or tomorrow in the afternoon. So look for those grades then. So you're all of you are current on your classwork. So thanks for doing that. Good job. So let's look at week 3 over here. So for this week, we're going to evaluate the effectiveness of human memory in criminal investigations. We're also going to cover how informants should be used in criminal investigations. And then we're going to include the week on how eyewitnesses are best used by investigators. So for our discussion this week, we're first going to watch a video on eyewitness testimony and some of the issues with it. And you're then going to write about what you learned about eyewitness testimony from this video. You're also going to compare and contrast the types of evidence discussed in these chapters versus eyewitness testimony. Which of these do you feel is better for a case? How do they work together? And we'll go back and forth on that in our discussion. Okay, for your assignment this week, you're going to first review the websites going over the use of informants. You can also use other articles you want as well for this covering this issue. You're then going to write a 1 to 2 page memo to the City Council regarding the pros and cons of permitting the police department in your area to use informants. Use specific statements supported by facts, not emotions. So make sure after stating both the pros and cons that you take a stand on the issue. And lastly, please cite all resources if they are listed here. Okay, we're also going to have our virtual instructor meeting to take care of this week. So I'm going to schedule that for this coming Thursday, December 3rd, 2020 at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll post a link to it sometime tomorrow. If you can't make that, we need to take care of that via a phone call. So you can't make the meeting, we're working on to set that up for a date and time to take care of that. So also, I will be sending out your grade point average later this week since we are at the halfway point of the class. So if there's any way to improve your grade, I'll give you a few tips on how to do so. So, all right, good luck to all of you in week 3.